girl lost her book. Punctuation. Punctuation. So whenever we talk, we just don't talk without break, without pauses. I'll just speak one sentence, right? Like this. Omar is a professor. His students call him Professor Amar. This is not the way we are going to speak. Omar is a professor. Sentence is finished. His student call him Professor Omar. Now there has to be some pauses. There has to be some breaks. In traffic also you have stop signs, you have green signals, you have zebra crossings. So whenever you speak, this should comprehend to what you're writing also. So punctuation is full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, apostrophe. These are the symbols we use in communication to separate parts of sentence, because we want a better clarity of the message, how we want to speak, how it should be understood, right? So there are certain common punctuation mark and there are certain rules also. Let us see one by one. So the first one is full stop. That is a period sign, dot. This is a sign we use, dot. So where it is used? It is used at the end of a sentence. Every sentence ends with a dot. Not every. I'll show you the question mark, exclamation also. Most of the sentence. Let me change my sentence. Omar is a professor. Now this sentence ends. His students call him Professor Omar. Now you see professor, because professor you don't want to write it whole. So when you are making it short, you put a dot. So this PROF dot, so this is used with short form of long words. If you are writing Dr. Omar, DR dot, you will not write doctor every time. So here dot are used. Second is comma. Comma is indicating a pause in the sentence, because here you are going to stop for a while. So see, there may be two or more items in a row. They are items. So you use comma to separate them. I'll give example of each of them. First is pause. After getting down from the bus, I am pausing now. I walked towards my school. So I paused at comma. This is why comma is used, right? So second one is, there are certain items. The grocery store had a fresh. There are three items. Kiwis, comma, strawberries and mangoes. If one more is there, you will put two comma. So this is how the meaning comes more clear here. Third is question mark. So this is a question mark. So this is used at the end of a question. Whenever there is a sentence which is an interrogative sentence where a question is being asked, where is your book? So this question mark is actually ending it with a question mark sign. Next one is exclamation sign. Where do we use? This is used at the end of a word or a sentence to indicate a strong feeling, strong emotion, which comes out of you without something happens very good or very bad. What a beautiful dress. You might have not seen that kind of dress. So you said, what a beautiful dress. So you use exclamation mark. So the emotions are coming, the feelings are coming. Hooray, we won the match. Hooray is showing that the person is happy because we won the match. Next is the apostrophe. Single also, double also it comes. So this single apostrophe is used followed by this S. That is, if you are having something or that is in possession or belonging to someone. That is, it is belonging to some person. How do you say that? I'll take an example. That is Shobha's cat. So Shobha apostrophe S is indicating that cat is belonging to Shobha. Okay, if you are having, means it's talking about possession or belonging. Now coming to, are these Rahim's color pencils? So Rahim's, because these color pencils belong to Rahim, or they are asking. So we use a question mark also, we use a apostrophe after Rahim's. We are now using shortened form. or shortened form in this speech. She isn't coming to school today. Everyone knows that we are talking about she is not coming to school today. So isn't N apostrophe S is corresponding to what? Apostrophe. Shortened word.